Hello. My name is, this is a class final project for Python 1. My name is Andrew Yang, and today's date is June 15th, 2023. So my idea for the project was a random number generator. You can see right here, and uh, I was inspired to do this because there are like a bunch of random number generator machines online, like just random generators. Like usually you can find random number generator, you can find like a random picture generator, random word generator, or stuff like that on the internet. So the reason why I chose this was because it's quick and easy, and also it is something that everyone knows about. Like you can ask your friends about like do you know random number generator? Or if you're playing like a game, you can't decide on something, you can go on the internet, search up random number generator, and be like one, two, or three, and they will pick the number for you. So what did I learn and use for my project? So during class, I learned about like how to input the random like the code that gives you the random number. So the first one is random dot random. So where I put right here thinks of a number, but yeah, that's basically what it does. Like if you put like it just randomly makes a number for you, for you to guess. And then the second one is I used is a lot is input. So just basically just ask the user to input something. You could put input, like ask a question like what is your name? And then the user will have to input their name. Like let's say, what is your name? I put Andrew Yang. That. So code example. So for code number one, I put input. Welcome to Andrew's number guessing game. Are you ready to continue? Yes or no? So code one introduces a game to the user and asks them if they want to continue into game. Like yes, they continue into game, and no, I guess they don't play the game, or they can keep trying until they put in yes that they want to continue. And code number two is import random. That's for the random number generator game. Um you can't just have the Python just think of a random number for you. You have to import a code that tells it to think of a random number generator, like random number. So right here, code two makes it to where it generates a random number from the selection of numbers you put. Like for example, if you put 1 through 100, then Python might like give you, 91 as your random number. So right here is my demo, and should I like all right. Oh, I mean, right, that's a demo, and then I have the picture of it on my other slide. So I don't know if you can see that, but uh if I just make it bigger for like 1 second, like right here, that's like all the codes I put. You can see all of that. Like it might be a bit blurry, but you can still kind of see it if I put it a bit bigger. Like that. You can see some of my codes and stuff right there. So I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. So my favorite part about working on this project was putting sound cues, like for the when the code asks the user to if they want to continue into the game, it will play Jeopardy theme song, or like some waiting sound. And if they get the and for guessing the number, if they get the number right, it will play a correct sound, like a usually like a ding. And if they get it wrong, they just get the incorrect buzzer sound. So ways to improve my project, like if I were to continue to work on this project, I would add score tracking. So it keeps track of scores between yourself, or if you're playing with other players, you can keep score, and kind of like a competition. And then for hints, I give hints to the players if they need help guessing a number. Like if they guess, let's say the random number is 20, and they guess 10. The hint could be like hotter, colder, like closer, or like further away from the number. And multiplayer, well, it's just play with your friends, and yeah, anyone else you want to play with. And yeah, that's it. That's it for our presentation.